the Fanathon, I am so sorry. Before YouTube, I had this. The JVC Evero G series hard disk camcorder. Oh, this brings back so many memories. When I first started YouTube, I used this. An iPod 4th generation.
I'm so sorry, mister. I'm so sorry.
But now, I have this. Sony HDR-CX440. I'm really excited for this. This is like my first... this is going to be used as my main camera. Like for my short films. Boring stuff, boring stuff, boring stuff, boring stuff, boring stuff, boring stuff. Here we go. Here is the main thing. So the reason why I wanted this camera is because I like Sony cameras. I didn't want to get a Canon or Kodak camera. So here's the cube for it. Here's the micro USB cable. Not quite sure what this is. And it comes with a battery. I bought this at Walmart. This is a Sony. I need to get the box. Sony HDR-CX440 Handycam camcorder. I've wanted an actual camera for so long. My iPad is running low on space, and I just needed it. It's not touchscreen. Thanks for watching. Bye.